Viva, 5 months old. Yes, talk to us. Talk to us, Viva. Talk to...
What is your philosophy of the world?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What's this? What is that? That a big toe?
Yes. Talk to us. Talk to us. Talk to us, Viva. Hey, talk to us.
Talk to us.
Someone's got a little comb over going on.
She got it from Daddy.
Someone's got a little comb over. Yes, you do. My two worlds. Right there. Chilling with Viva.
Who loves you? Who loves you?
Yes.
Mama.
Oh, talking. Hey. Wow.
Right there, 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 right there.
Adios, Viva. Que Viva. Adios. Love you.
I love you, Pep.
Love you, Viva. Love you, Chris.
Love you, honey.